Hi guys, I'm back with a new video. I know it's been a while. I'll explain why in a little bit. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make cocktails as cheaply and simply as possible. And due to the budget restraints of this challenge, some of the traditional recipes of these cocktails are going to be tweaked slightly. I'm attempting this challenge simply because when you go out to a cocktail bar, the simple cocktails can range from £6 to £9, and the more complex cocktails can be £10 or more, and it can get quite expensive. But it doesn't have to be like that. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make some cheap and simple but still delicious cocktails with a fairly tight budget. Right, okay, I'm going to go over what ingredients you need and also what tools you need. So I've got a simple cocktail kit. You can get these from Amazon or eBay. They're quite cheap. My one just includes a shaker, a strainer, a measure. This is 2 ounces and 1 ounce, a bar spoon, and a juicer just for juicing the lemons and limes. And also, don't worry if you don't have a cocktail kit, because some of these can actually be blended or just built in the glass as well. So you'll need a blender as well for some of those. Now with the ingredients. Okay, let's go over the ingredients as well. So we'll start off with the alcohol. We've got cocoa bay. This is like a coconut rum liqueur. That's about £5. We've got clementine gin. This is £10. And also Amaretto, as this was around about £5 as well. We've also got some lemons, some limes, some mint, some cream. This is actually soya cream because I'm now vegan, but you can just use regular cream if you want. We've also got pineapple juice, and I've also brewed a little bit of coffee here. I'm just going to show you how to make sugar syrup, or simple syrup as it's sometimes called. This is a popular ingredient used in many cocktails, and it'll be used in most of the cocktails I'll show you today. It's very easy. I'm using 1-to-1 mixture of sugar and boiling water. I used 150 grams each here. Pour the boiling water into the sugar and mix until it's completely dissolved, and then stick it into the fridge for a while. The first recipe is an espresso martini. We need 50 ml of amaretto, 50 ml of coffee, and 25 ml of sugar syrup. Then you want to fill the shaker up halfway with ice and start shaking. I'm going to serve this in a coupe glass that I've chilled in the fridge for a little while. That looks like an espresso martini, and it tastes quite nice too, even though it's very different from the original recipe. In this recipe, we're going to use 50 ml of cream, 50 ml of coconut rum, and 75 ml of pineapple juice. Once again, fill the shaker halfway with ice and shake. For this one, a simple tall glass will do. This is technically a latte glass, but I don't have any others. Now for the taste test, and it tastes pretty good. Nice and creamy like a pina colada should be. This is a great one for the kids, the designated drivers, and just anyone who isn't drinking. We'll need half a lime, cut into wedges, some mint leaves, and if you slap the mint leaves, it'll help release the flavour. Then add 25 ml of sugar syrup. Fill to the top with ice and soda water, then stir. Pretty good, but I can't help thinking this would be better if I was sat outside in the summer with this drink. But oh well, there'll be time for that. The Bramble is a very refreshing, fruity cocktail, and to make it we'll need blackberries. It also helps if you crush them. Then add 50 ml of gin, 40 ml of sugar syrup, and 40 ml of lemon juice, and give it a good old shake. Then, if you want, you can use a short glass with ice, like I've done. Once again, it's time to taste, and it doesn't disappoint. It's hard to resist drinking any of these cocktails while I film, but it's a bit of a problem since there's so many, and they're rather potent. Before I get too carried away, the last recipe here is an Alexander, and it uses 50 ml of Amaretto, 50 ml of cream, and 25 ml of sugar syrup. Now, Alexanders are usually made with gin, and I've also seen them made with brandy, but I just wanted to shake things up a bit. Get it? Because this is a cocktail video. Anyway, this one honestly tastes like pudding. It's delicious. If you're going to make any of these, I definitely recommend you make this one. And if you want, you can even sprinkle some cocoa powder on the top to make it look pretty. So, why was I gone for so long? The short answer is, I got a job. It was a full-time job as a bartender, and it was very stressful. I did very long shifts, and there wasn't much time to make videos, but I really wanted to get back into making videos for such a long time. And at the end of summer of this year, I left that job, and I'm now in a much calmer job, and I have more time to make videos. So hopefully I can make videos on a semi-regular basis again. By the time this goes up, we should be in the new year of 2023, and so I'm hoping that this year I can start making videos properly again. And so, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and comment down below what was your favourite cocktail, and hopefully I'll see you again in the not too distant future. Bye.